WNG. Go.
Locations impacted include Albany, Schenectady. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Schenectady County and east central New York, Albany County and east central New York, south central Saratoga County and east central New York, Rensselaer County and east central New York, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located over Watervliet, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 between exits 10 and 25. Interstate 890 between exits 7 and 9. Interstate 87 between exits 21 and 7, and near exit 8A. Interstate 787 between exits 1 and 9. Locations impacted include Albany, Schenectady, Troy, Rotterdam, East Greenbush, Cohoes, Watervliet, Rensselaer, Colony, Nassau, Delmer, Latham, Guilderland, Manassas, Westerlo, Ravenna, Stephentown, Bern, Voorheesville, and Green Island. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Hazards: a band of heavy snow.
No, I'm just gonna get these out here, then get the streams.
Northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northern Newport County in Rhode Island, County in Rhode Island, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, and p.m. at 8:25 a.m.
Oh, I got it.
In southern New England.
Oh, I got WNG 574. Now I'm gonna go, get the streams in my room. Yep.
Include whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow.
Thank you.
Wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Boston, Providence, Lowell, Cambridge, Brockton, Fall River, Newton, and Norwood, Cranston, Lawrence, Somerville, Pawtucket, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Malvern, Brookline, Milford, Consider avoiding or delaying travel until your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. If traveling on a highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park safely away from traffic. Allow snow squalls to pass before attempting to resume travel. Here is the official National Weather. You are listening to NOAA's All Hazards Radio. Issued at 7:10 a.m. Thursday, January 1st. Small craft advisory in Connecticut, Essex County, and northeastern Massachusetts. But it's Rhode Island, Massachusetts, western Bristol County. County in
KZ4 is having issues. That radio didn't go off for like over a month. Something like that.
Snow squall was located along a line extending from North Ridge to near Fisher's Island, moving east at 30 miles per hour. 5 a.m. East Hazards recorded intense bursts of heavy snow located along the line, winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Gust travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. To less than 1/4 locations impacted include Boston, Providence, Brockville, Quincy, Fall River, Warwick, East Providence, Woonsocket, Braintree, Carbon.
Oh!
South Kingstown and West Warwick.
KC70.
Consider avoiding or delaying travel in snow squall passes your location. Changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. If traveling on a highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park.
I always find some way to put it into Windham County.
Snow squalls to pass before attempting to resume travel. The marine forecast for Long Island Sound. Allow snow squalls. The official National Weather Service forecast for Massachusetts and Ipswich Bays, as well as the Selwyn Bank National Marine Sanctuary, issued at 7:10 a.m. for the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Connecticut and southwest Massachusetts.
It's the start of the year. Come on now.
WBCI. Oh.
Right, Mike. Exactly what's going on.
Emergency alert system for the state of Maine.
Really?
Emergency.
Rock out with our hawk out.
104.7, 104.3. That one hasn't gone off yet.
Information would follow the alert.
101.9. I don't know what's up with that one.
Today,
99.9.
everyone will 15. Barn door.
Couple more.
With everyone.
94.9? What?
Give away.
92.1. Hey, nice.
Dangerous snow squall was located over Fonda, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 88 between exits 24 and 25. Interstate 90 between exits 25 and 29. Interstate 890 between exits 1 and 5. Locations impacted include Schenectady, Rotterdam, Amsterdam, Gloversville, Johnstown, Scotia, Canajoharie, Fonda, Glenville, Duanesburg, Boston Spa, Altamont, Rhode Island, Hagaman, Fort Johnson, Del Anson, Galway, Rotterdam Junction, East Glenville, and Burn Hills. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Here is the latest. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a snow squall warning for Schenectady County and East Central New York, Central Albany County and East Central New York, Southern Saratoga County in East Central New York, Schoharie County in east central New York, southwestern Washington County in east central New York, southeastern Montgomery County in eastern New York, northwestern Rensselaer County in east central New York, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Ballston Spa to near Duanesburg to Cobleskill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 88 between exits 20 and 25. Interstate 90 between exits 8 and 27. Interstate 890 between exits 1 and 9. Interstate 87 between exits 23 and 7, and between exits 8 and 13N. Interstate 787 between exits 1 and 9. Locations impacted include Albany, Schenectady, Troy, Clifton Park, Rotterdam, Saratoga Springs, Amsterdam, Cohoes, Watervliet, Rensselaer, Colony, Scotia, Mechanicville, Cobleskill, Delmer, Latham, Jefferson, Guilderland, Glenville, and Niskayuna. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for at 3:23 p.m. Eastern. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a snow squall warning for Schenectady County in east central New York, central Albany County in east central New York, southeastern Saratoga County in east central New York, northwestern Rensselaer County in east central New York, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located near Altamont, or near Rotterdam, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 88 between exits 24 and 25. Interstate 90 between exits 10 and 26. Interstate 890 between exits 1 and 9. Interstate 87 between exits 21 and 7, and between exits 8 and 10. Interstate 787 between exits 1 and 9. Locations impacted include Albany, Schenectady, Troy, Clifton Park, Rotterdam, East Greenbush, Cohoes, Watervliet, Rensselaer, Colony, Scotia, Delmer, Latham, Guilderland, Glenville, Niskayuna, Duanesburg, Menands, Ravenna, and Voorheesville. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Here is the
Holy crap.
What? Dangerously cold windshield and
Holy crap.
where? In Maine,
That means I missed the one for...
southern Franklin, southern Oxford counties,
That means I missed the one for,
Belknap, Carroll.
from Burlington. I had no idea they were at 1050. That scared me.
Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 30 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Dress in layers, including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. Now for the... West and western Essex. West, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 12 and 17 inches. Winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. Where? Much of southern New England, excluding Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, and Block Island. When? From 7 a.m. Sunday to 8 p.m. Monday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous. Travel could be very difficult to impossible, especially if traveling overnight into the Monday morning commute. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is absolutely necessary. Here is winter storm watch information for the following areas.
70%. Wind chill values as low as 10 below after midnight.
Central and southern
Tuesday
Somerset.
through Wednesday.
To your Cumberland.
Highs around 20. Lows 5 below to 5.
There we go. Ah! That's a boatload of snow. Unrecognized warnings. 171.
Eastern Hillsborough. Southwest, Maine, and Central.
1039.
You overlook
1019.
Once you log
100.1.
accumulations between 12 and 18 inches. They're delaying all travel.
991.
Extra flashlight.
983.
W
971.
brief periods of locally heavy snowfall, which will lead and shall driving conditions.
1069.
Conditions could have Saturdays.
we will never.
For the following areas in Maine, York, and the following
Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 12 and 18
Yep.
inches. Where portions of southwest
Yep.
and southern New Hampshire, locally heavy snowfall, which will lead to rapid snow accumulations and extremely
When?
dangerous
From 1 p.m.
Sunday to 7 p.m. Monday. Snowfall potential exist for buildings that will
Yeah, that one's going off too.
dangerous, which will lead to rapid snow accumulations and extremely dangerous the Monday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, heavy snowfall will combine with low visibility in the vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions is 18.2 persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution
Exactly.
Oh, 947. Nice.
So, if you like things,
My second ingredient.
I wonder if that one went off.
Night is free and
It was sunny. The temperature was 5 degrees. The dew point -13.
Oh.
Jaffrey Sunny 4.
Oh, really? I'm surprised you didn't go off. You went off last time. Did my vector go off? Ugh.
Highs around 20. Sunny and -3 degrees.